Welcome. In this video I'll show where is Do Not Disturb on Android. So in the majority of cases you can find the Do Not Disturb mode, preferences and settings page by launching the General Settings app, entering the Sound and Vibration category, and from here opening the Do Not Disturb page. On certain devices it can be, instead of located inside of sound and vibration preferences, it can be put under the modes and routines label, or just modes, or something along those lines. The easiest way to locate Do Not Disturb mode in your settings is to just use the settings search. So open it, type in Do Not Disturb, and you'll find an exact page that those settings are located this way. You can also open your control panel, collapse it all the way, and look for the Do Not Disturb mode shortcut here, and access the D&D settings by touching and holding Edit, just like that. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below, but as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.